Hi, today I am going to show you how you can render a Blender project for free using Google Colab. Google Colab is a cloud-based platform provided by Google that allows users to write, execute, and share Python code in a browser environment. It also offers free access to a GPU. So, we are going to use Google Colab to render Blender projects. Step 1. Upload the Blender project to Google Drive. Step 2. Upload the file in the Google Colab that I provided you with in the description. Step 3. After uploading the file, run all the cells step by step. Step 4. Select the same version of Blender to render the project. Run the cell and wait until Blender is downloaded and installed. Step 5. After downloading Blender, connect the notebook with Google Drive to access the files. Step 6. After connecting Google Drive, type or paste the paths to access the blend file and set the output location. Set the start frame and the end frame. After all the setup is complete, run the cell and start rendering the project. You will find your rendered frames in Google Drive. I'm glad you liked it. For more updates, subscribe to TechSharp.